Hi, this is Pandi from Tenatech Electronics. We are happy to inform you that we are also distributors of Digilent. In this video, I am going to introduce a new open source platform, ChipKit. ChipKit open source platform is quite similar to Arduino platform. In Arduino platform, we will be using Arduino IDE to write our codes. In ChipKit, we will be using MPIDE. The syntaxes what we are going to use in MPIDE are the same syntaxes we are using Arduino. The basic difference between ChipKit platform and Arduino platform is in Arduino platform we will be using 8-bit Atmel based microcontrollers. In ChipKit we will be using PIC based 32-bit microcontrollers. In Arduino we are having varieties of board. Arduino Mega is there, Arduino Uno is there, Arduino Dumilo Nove is there. In ChipKit we are having two varieties of board, ChipKit Uno 32 and ChipKit Max 32. This is ChipKit Uno 32. It is similar to your Arduino Uno and it is having PIC 32 MX320F 128H PIC microcontroller. This is having 128 KB of flash memory and 16 KB of SRAM. Totally it is having 42 IOs. In that 16 are analog and 28 are digital IOs. In Arduino, we will be having only 20 IOs. It is having SPI as well as A2C protocol, and it is having USB OTG. The operating frequency of this controller is 80 MHz, and it is compatible with all the shields of Arduino. And it is having ICSP header. You can use PIC 3 for programming as well as debugging. This is ChipKit Max 32, quite similar to your Arduino Mega. It is having around 83 digital IOs and 16 analog inputs. In Arduino Mega, we will be having only 54 digital IOs, and it is having 3 serial ports. And also it is having SPA as well as I2C and CAN protocol. It is having a PIC 32MX795F 512H PIC microcontroller. It is having 512 KB of flash memory and 120 KB of SRAM. Also it is having USB OTG, and the operating frequency of this controller is 80 MHz. Let's have a demo of interfacing this ChipKit Max 32 with servo motor. This is MPLAB IDE. I have downloaded this software from ChipKit Wiki. This is quite similar to your Arduino IDE. First you need to go to tools and select board. I am using ChipKit Max 32. Just I have selected the board, and then we need to go to serial port to select the serial port for communication. Here they are used FTDI IC for serial communication. So we need to update the driver from FTDI website. I am going to use the basic example code for servo motor. So file example servo and sweep. Here they have connected the servo motor in the 9th pin, and it will be rotating 0 to 180 degree and 180 degree to 0. I am going to upload the code into the controller. And here I have connected the servo motor with the ChipKit Max 32 to the 9th pin of the microcontroller. So it is rotating 0 to 180 degree and 180 degree to 0. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy FPGA based products, or if you want to know more information about these products, please visit our website www.tenatech.com.